Hello guys, this is your take-home scenario again. We're gonna cook today our hearty creamy soup. Just like that, just like that one, okay? Okay, let's start by putting maggot river water on a pot, just like that. Estimate it. Put it in the boil, the separate pan, put the oil, then put the garlic, turn it to golden, then onions, let it caramelize, just like one, put some butter on it, then mix it well, so you melt the butter, then add your protein, your meat, okay? Any kind of protein will do, beef, chicken, or pork can do, okay? Add the bell pepper and the leftover sausages. Add 1/2 cup of fish sauce, then pepper, tapos MSG, hala! Then, put it in your pot, okay? Let it boil. When it boils, add 1 chicken broth cubes, then 1 can of evaporated milk. Any kind of product will do. Then put slurry on it, just like that. Mix it well with water, 3 tablespoons. Then put it on your boiling soup, just like that. Done. Yum, yum, yum.